Want double value from your Amex points? I'll show a simple trick. Booking directly through Amex Travel often lowers value because the portal redeems points at fixed cash rates. For example, 60,000 points might book a $600 ticket through Amex Travel. But transfer those same points to the right airline partner, and that can become a $1,200 ticket. The trick is simple. Transfer points to a frequent flyer partner, then book award space. Next, 3 quick steps you can follow right now. Step 1. Check Amex transfer partners and the airline award chart for your route. Step 2. Transfer the exact number of points to the chosen partner. Transfers are often instant or complete within a day. Step 3. Search partner award availability and book the ticket with miles. Quick comparison. Amex Travel $600 versus partner award $1,200. Same points, double value. Tip: check transfer ratios, award availability, and any fuel surcharges before you move points. Do this and get twice the flight value. Try it on your next booking.